The 10 News Weather Authority from the JES Weather Center.
Oh, that was a shorter intro than usual. I was not ready for that. Good morning, or not good morning. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Edward Shaw. National radar right now, we're clear. However, further to our west, you see quite a bit of snow further to our northwest, just coming as a result, some of that colder air dipping into the area, as well as a few winter weather advisories still up to the north. Now, that's all part of an extended system that's going to be impacting us here over the next few days, just not in the way that a lot of other places further to the north are going to be impacted. Wytheville at 47 degrees right now, Blacksburg at 49, Roanoke at 54, and Martinsville at 60. So still pretty mild today, and it's going to get up to more spring-like conditions today. Roanoke at 59 degrees, Danville 63, South Boston 62, Lynchburg at 58, and Pulaski at 52 as well. So if you're heading out the door today, it's actually going to be a pretty great day, especially when you consider what's coming in. Weekend futurecast, we're going to have a little bit of rain come in on Saturday, starting up in the morning, but then continuing throughout the day. We'll get a little bit of a break as this warm front lifts further to the north. But then as the following cold front comes through the area later that night, we'll see our next round of showers before we clear up for Sunday. Sunday's going to be another nice day, very similar to today, where we're going to be a little bit on the warmer side with plenty of sunshine. But then we get into Monday, and that's when the script flips a little bit. We get into about 3 a.m., we're going to have a few showers along the Virginia-North Carolina border, but this is the main thing that my eye is on for Tuesday. This is starting about 3 to 4 a.m. We'll see the first few flurries most likely, but this system, it's going to largely depend on how strong this cold air wedge that's locked in place behind the mountains, it's going to depend on how strong that is. If it's a stronger wedge, then there's likelihood more this is snow than rain. But we're certainly looking at the chance for some ice accumulation as well, particularly along the I-81 corridor. So that's something that we're going to have to keep in mind and watch for. And it's going to be something that changes very quickly here in the next few days. By about 12 a.m., midnight Wednesday, we start to lighten up a little bit. Most of that freezing rain heads further to the north, and we're left behind with a few showers and whatnot. Now, the big thing with this system is it looks more likely than not that we're going to end up getting some form of wintry precipitation. The question now becomes how much? And that's the thing that a lot of models are very divided on. But again, a lot of it depends on this. While we're at 59 degrees today, we get to 43 tomorrow, and you can see kind of that cold air wedge trying to get locked in place. 56 on Sunday, but then it really takes hold on Monday when we get to 40 degrees, 45 Richmond, 42 D.C. Before we get into Sunday, or not Sunday, Tuesday, that's when we get really cold. Temperatures in the 30s, overnight lows getting possibly below freezing in some areas. So we're going to be watching for Tuesday with those cold temperatures and that chance for wintry precipitation. Appy?